Here we will write a Python program to count number of digits in a number. So in comment line, first we'll write. Then we'll accept number from user. So num equal to int input enter number, and we will define one integer variable count which is initialized with 0. Then we will use while loop. So while num not equal to 0, we will remove last digit from the number using floor division. So num equal to num divided by 10, and we will increment the count. So count equal to count plus 1, and after completing while loop we will print number of digits in a number is count. Then we will execute this. I will enter number 1 2 3 4. It will print number of digits in number as 4.